Welcome to Automotor, your home for everything fast, stylish, and powerful on two wheels. Today we dive into the thrilling world of naked street fighters with the 2026 Yamaha MT-15 V2, a bike that takes aggression, performance, and design to a whole new level. Yamaha has always been a master of crafting machines that connect emotion with engineering, and the new MT-15 V2 is a perfect example of that. This motorcycle isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution of urban performance, engine and performance. The 2026 Yamaha MT-15 V2 lies the same trusted 155cc liquid-cooled, 4-valve single-cylinder engine, but now tuned for better mid-range response and fuel efficiency. It produces around 18.7 horsepower and 14.2 Nm of torque, giving riders an explosive throttle response with Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and assist and slipper clutch, ensuring smooth gear transitions and stability during aggressive downshifts. Yamaha's refinement continues to shine. Every twist of the throttle feels crisp and responsive. Whether it's a city sprint or a highway blast, the MT-15 V2 delivers pure excitement every single time. Design and styling, the street predator. The 2026 MT-15 V2 stays true to its dark side of Japan philosophy, but with sharper details and more attitude. The aggressive front fascia now features updated bifunctional LED headlights and sleek daytime running lights, giving the bike a mean, robotic stare. The muscular fuel tank, sculpted shrouds, and minimalistic tail section make the bike look aggressive from every angle. Yamaha has introduced new color schemes like cyber blue, racing black, and metallic gray, all enhanced by sporty graphics and premium finishing. This bike isn't just built to perform, it's built to turn heads wherever it goes. Handling and comfort, agile and confident. One of the biggest strengths of the MT-15 V2 is its handling. Built on the Delta box frame, it offers outstanding rigidity and balance. The upside-down front forks and linked-type rear monoshock provide precise feedback and stability, even at high speeds. The riding posture is upright yet sporty, allowing excellent control in city traffic as well as on twisty roads. The lightweight body and narrow profile make it incredibly easy to maneuver. The 140mm rear radial tire adds superior grip and enhances cornering confidence. With a seat height of 810mm and improved cushioning, it's comfortable for long rides while maintaining its aggressive stance. Technology and features, smarter than ever. The 2026 MT-15 V2 comes packed with modern features. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster now supports Bluetooth connectivity through Yamaha's Y-Connect app, displaying call alerts, phone battery status, and ride analytics. The bike also features LED lighting all around, a side-stand engine cutoff switch, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. Yamaha has also refined the ECU for smoother power delivery, giving a more linear feel to the acceleration, perfect for both new and experienced riders. Conclusion: the urban beast reborn. The 2026 Yamaha MT-15 V2 continues to dominate the street fighter segment with its stunning looks, advanced tech, and unmatched performance. It's the ideal machine for those who crave agility, style, and a thrilling ride experience every day. Yamaha has once again proven that small displacement doesn't mean small excitement. The MT-15 V2 is bold, powerful, and fearless, a true dark knight of the streets. Thank you for tuning in to Automotor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles from around the world. Until next time, ride safe, stay powerful, and embrace the dark side.